ready to do my pour 15. I've seam sealed everything. I've cleaned it up really well, and I've got everything prepped to go. So I need foam brushes. I'm going to use this to apply it. I got gloves on. You definitely want to have gloves on dealing with any of this. Don't wear any clothing. You don't mind getting pour 15 on. Don't wear any skin. You don't mind getting pour 15 on. If you get it on your skin, it'll sit there for weeks until the skin finally flakes off. This is serious stuff. So I got my brushes. I got a screwdriver to open up this can. I'm just going to get out, dip a little bit in, and then go spread it around on everything. And I'm going to do this on both sides. When I'm done with this can, I'm going to use a plastic bag, Ziploc bag, any other like good sheet of plastic, and I'm going to put that between the lid and the can. If you don't, you'll find your lid has been glued on so hard you're never going to get it off. So put that plastic bag between them, because then you actually have a chance to get that lid off next time. And just make sure you get a really good seal. If you don't, the air will get into it and eventually cure. And I've got about 1/3 of a can over there that's like just lump solid because I didn't get a good seal when I put it back on last time. So now I'm going for a brand new can. And this stuff's not super cheap, but it does work really well. You know, this is kind of the gold standard out there, and there's a reason why. So if you're looking at any kind of rust protection activity, I think this is definitely the way to go. All right, let me get working. Okay, I've got both sides coated. This is the first coat. I've done the underside as well. So I've got good coverage. It does pull back a little bit when you've put it on from some high spots where it won't be thin, or it'll pull away from the metal a little bit. So we're gonna let this cure. It says 2 to 6 hours, which at this point means tomorrow morning. So it'll be good and dry when we do the next coat. We'll get that on. 2 coats will be good. I put my plastic bag down on my can here, and I really had to distort this lid to get it off because it was already from the factory glued on with pour 15. So hopefully I'm able to reseal this and continue to use it, because this is a brand new quart and I've only used maybe 1/5 of it so far, so I don't want to let that go to waste. So there you go. That's pour 15 liquidy. Doesn't smell horrible, but it is hard to get off of your hands.